One very important part about roof health, the health of your roof, the longevity of your roof, not having to get out and change fascia boards, is cleaning your gutters. All right, I do not recommend people coming up on a roof or climbing a ladder and doing it from the ladder. Either way, I don't recommend you doing it yourself. This project can probably be done by your roofer on a house this size, which is basically a gutter on one side and a gutter on the other, cleaned out, blown out, pine straw cleaned up, for $125. Now, if you can get your gutters cleaned out for between $125 and $200, it is well worth not doing gutter cleaning by yourself. It is very dangerous and it's just not worth it. So if you're a wife and you're watching this video, you make sure your husband's not getting on a ladder, climbing up and trying to clean out your gutters, or getting up on your roof. The chance of falling is great, and it's not worth it, guys. So hire somebody to clean your gutters. If you have gutters, hire somebody to clean them at least once every fall or spring, whatever you decide. But I definitely would recommend it. So that's my project for today. I'm going to clean out this side, the other side, and make these things flow again so they don't have fascia board rotting out, plywood rotting out. So many problems can be caused by that pine straw running down your gutter. So, and there is a company out there, I won't say the name, but it's a filter for filtering your gutters. That is probably the most expensive one you'll ever get. If you just have your roofer come up and install gutter guards instead of that filter, you're probably going to save $2,000 for filter, and gutter guards might cost you $600, $800, I don't know. But I do definitely like them. That keeps you from having to do this. Makes it a little bit easier. if you see what I'm having to do, you'll realize real quick you do not want your husband on your roof doing this, because this is the only way of getting this done. Fortunately, this roof is not steep, so I can get down there carefully. If it was a steep roof, I'd be scared to do that myself. And if you put a ladder up here, metal against metal, very slippery. What's going to happen? Your ladder slip, your husband falls. Do not allow your husband to get on your roof. Hire a professional. There you go, complete. This will probably, like I said, this is only a two-side house. Your handyman, it might only take him an hour, but remember, he had to get to your job, give you an estimate, go home, you called him back, said yeah, do it, or you said go ahead and do it. And of course he couldn't do you the same day, so he has to come back another time. So you know, it kind of gets expensive going back and forth. And then you got a little bit of removal and your tools that you need to finish and make the job look nice. So remember, your contractor has a lot of tools, and that's the reason why it might be a little expensive. If you hear his price, might scare you a little bit, but don't be scared away by a few $100s, because your life is on the line, and the last thing you want is your husband or your wife getting up on your roof and trying to do a job that could have been done for merely pennies compared to a hospital bill. So stay off the roof. I cannot stress that enough. All right guys, I'm out. If you enjoyed the video, or if you got something out of it, or it made you think about things, hit the like button for me. We'll see you on the next one. Might not seem like a lot, but imagine all that clogging up your gutter, stopping it from emptying out, slowing down the flow. What's going to happen? It's going to overflow. So the reason for cleaning is to stop the overflow, and always make sure your downspouts are cleaned out. That's a lot of debris for two little gutters.